Top stocks in news: RBL Bank, TBO Take, KRBL, V-Mart, Novoma and John Cockerill. Stocks including Trualt Bioenergy, Coal India, Jean Kushal Industries, Hyundai Motor, Tata Power, Sammaan Capital, RBL Bank and more will be in the spotlight on Friday, 3rd October. 1. Corporate actions today. Shares of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals and Finetex Chemical shall trade ex-dividend, while shares of G and Shilpa Medicare shall trade ex-bonus today. Shares of Poshak shall trade ex-date for split and bonus. Shares of Sumit Industries shall trade ex-split today. Shares of Javeri shall trade ex-date for rights. 2. RBL Bank. The private lender has received a show cause notice, SCN, from the Assistant Commissioner of State Tax, Mumbai, demanding GST of 92 crore rupees, including interest and penalty, for the financial year 2019-20, pertaining to the reversal of GST input credit, taken under a separate registration obtained for the digital banking business vertical by the bank. 3. TBO Take. The travel solutions company's wholly owned step-down subsidiary, TBO LLC, has completed the acquisition of 100% ownership interest in US Best Classic Vacations for $125 million. 4. Novama Wealth Management. The financial services company has received approval from SEBI to act as the sponsor and set up the proposed Novama Mutual Fund. 5. V-Mart Retail. The retail chain reported a 22% growth in revenue to 807 crore rupees in the September 2025 quarter. It also reported opening 25 new stores and closed 2 stores during the quarter. 6. KRBL. The rice exporter company has been declared the successful bidder in the e-auction for the acquisition of immovable properties in Panipat, Haryana, for 402.86 crore rupees. It plans to set up a plant, carry out warehousing and allied activities, or consider partial monetization of land. 7. John Cockerill India. The industrial solutions player company has received a contract from Godavari Power and Ispat for a 6-high reversible cold rolling mill at Tilda, Raipur. The scope of work also includes supervision of erection and commissioning, ensuring full contractual performance guarantees. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.